A very good morning to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing very well. So again, back to back, I'm bringing one more egg breakfast recipe for you. It's cheesy egg delight. This is really an interesting recipe and you are going to love it because we are making it in a different way and it's healthy. We are adding oatmeal to it along with some vegetables and of course topped with cheese and some herbs. It's really very delicious. So let's make it. Cheesy egg delight. Make and enjoy this delicious breakfast. For this we'll require capsicums or bell peppers, 3 colors, finely diced, about 1 tablespoon each. We have 1 small tomato, remove the pulp and seeds and cut out the fleshy part. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 raw eggs, 2 boiled eggs, and then we have oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons, oatmeal, about 2 tablespoons, grated cheese 5 to 6 tablespoons, red chilli flakes 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and oregano 1 teaspoon. Let's do the mixing. Break the eggs in a larger bowl. Add little salt as required and some red chilli flakes, as much as you want. I've ordered a tiny spoon, you can add more also, and about 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. You can make this by grinding the quick cooking oats, or you can also replace this oatmeal with whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, or any other flour, multigrain flour, or even breadcrumbs. You have many variations, many choices. So give it a nice mix until everything is blended together. Set it aside. Now in a pan, heat the oil. Add the onion first. We are going to saute the onion until it is translucent. Keep stirring continuously. Now at this stage you can dip in the bell peppers and tomato. Stir them with a spatula. Keep stirring at regular intervals so that they get fried evenly. Now cover and simmer on low flame so that they get cooked a bit. Don't overcook them, they should be little bit crunchy. Now we'll be adding little bit of salt and oregano. You can add half of it now, keep half for sprinkling on top. Give it a nice stir and again you can cover and leave it for just about 10 seconds or so on low flame. Now the flavors of oregano must have been incorporated into the vegetables. Cut the boiled eggs into halves and place them in the pan. Pour the egg and oatmeal mixture over them, spreading it all around. Now some grated cheese on top of the eggs. You may also use sliced cheese instead. Any cheese that you have at home. Sprinkle little oregano on top and some chili flakes. If you are making it for children, you may skip the chili flakes or even add little bit of black pepper instead, crushed black pepper, as you like it. Cover it and simmer until done. After 1 minute, it should be done. It's nice and firm. You can serve it immediately. The whole cooking process takes about 2 minutes. Such a simple and quick fix breakfast. Separate the edges with a knife and transfer it onto a serving plate. Wow, look at this. So inviting it looks. Using a pizza cutter, you can cut it into 4 parts carefully so that 1 egg goes into each. Wow, what a yummy treat. Let's do the tasting. It's cooked very well inside. So flavorful. Each bite has such a delicious flavor of oregano and cheese, and the spice level from the red chili flakes is also just perfect. You can enjoy this all by itself, or you can have a slice of bread toast with it. Thanks for watching and check out these videos from the archives. See you soon with another recipe. Bye until then.